Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 3T 10 4G, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection on this tablet. First of all, you need to access Devices Settings. Then scroll down and tap on System. Over here, you need to select Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Keyboard. Now access Text Correction, scroll down just a bit, and click on this switcher next to Autocorrection. As you can see after that, Automatic Text Correction is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!